Hello there, friends. Today I'm going to attempt to do a coloring video. I am by no means an expert. I have been coloring with Copics for about 8 years, maybe a little bit longer. Taken many classes, and then I was getting so stressed out about where the shadows should be and this and that I just decided to color because it makes me happy and just kind of do it my way. I think it turns out okay. There really isn't a whole lot of rhyme or reason. I'm going to also attempt with this video to speed up my coloring and put some music on, so hopefully I achieve all these things. Today I will be using a retired My Favorite Things stamp. It's from the Pure Innocence line called Ladybug. This is going to be for my Facebook group challenge, because challenge number 4 is Ladybugs, or the colors red, white, and black. First thing, I have it in my mini Misty. I'll be inking it up with Memento Tuxedo black, stamping it out. I'm thinking I have Nina cardstock in there. I'm not sure, didn't really look at that part of it. And I hope that I have all the colors out that I'm going to use. If not, if there's a little pause, it's because I was grabbing a different color. So, isn't she just adorable? And then I have a little OCD. I have to clean my stamp right away. And then we will get to coloring. I will do my best to show you the colors that I use, but if I don't, they will also be linked below. Oops, sorry. All right, and hopefully that will be close enough so that you can see. And let's